Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to open Steam Overlay while in game. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To open the Steam Overlay while in a game, follow these steps. Step 1. The default shortcut to open the Steam Overlay in most games is pressing Shift plus Tab simultaneously. While in the game, press and hold the Shift key, then press the Tab key. Custom shortcut. Step 1. Open the Steam client on your PC. Step 2. Click on the Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on the In-Game tab. Step 4. Look for the Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game option. Ensure it is enabled. Step 5. Below that option, you can set a custom shortcut key for opening the Steam Overlay. If you prefer a different key combination, enter your desired keys in the shortcut key field. Step 6. Click OK or Apply to save the changes. Step 7. While playing a game, press the custom shortcut key you set to open the Steam Overlay. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.